free indicators can work. Let's be honest about that. MACD has been around for decades. Super trend is a staple in trend-following strategies. Support and resistance zones are fundamental to reading price action, and there are thousands of free buy and sell signal indicators on TradingView that traders use every day. But here's the problem. They're incomplete. Traders end up stacking 5 indicators on one chart, drowning in noise and still losing money. So let's do a real comparison. Same market, same time frame, same exact price action. We'll look at what the free tools show you, and then we'll look at what Swift Algo shows you. First, MACD. Look at the chart. Euro-dollar. 15-minute time frame. MACD is loaded at the bottom, and what do you see? A tangled mess of crossovers. The blue line crosses above the orange line, then crosses back below, then crosses above again. If you traded every crossover, you'd be taking a dozen signals across this range. And here's the brutal truth. Most of them would lose. MACD can work, but it's outdated. It lags behind price. It gives you a ton of false signals in choppy markets. And it needs confirmation from something else to actually be reliable. You can't trade MACD alone, but it doesn't tell you that. It just keeps firing signals and hoping you figure out the rest. Now super trend. Same chart. Super trend flips between green and red as the trend shifts. And sure, it's useful for identifying direction, but it flips too late. Price is already halfway through the move before super trend confirms it. And during consolidation, super trend flips back and forth multiple times, whipsawing you in and out of trades. It works great in strong trending markets, but the moment the market chops, it falls apart. And it gives you no guidance on where to enter, where to exit, or how to manage risk. It just says trend is up, trend is down. You're on your own for everything else. Now, support and resistance with market structure. This is one of the cleanest free setups you can use. You've got red resistance zones and blue support zones plotted automatically, along with change of characters and break of structure labels. It tells you where the market is likely to react, but here's what it doesn't tell you: when to actually enter. You can see the levels, you can see the breaks, but you still have to make the decision yourself. Do you enter at the break? Do you wait for a retest? Do you need confirmation? The levels are there, but the execution is still manual. You're interpreting, you're guessing, and if you guess wrong, you lose. Now the free buy and sell indicators. Look at this chart. Signals everywhere. Buy here, sell there, buy again, sell again. Count them. Exactly 19 signals across this range. Some hit, most don't. And here's the problem with most free signal indicators. They're just fancy moving average crossovers. There's no confirmation backing them up, no trend filter, no structure analysis, no momentum check. They you to figure out which ones are worth taking. And if you take them all, you're overtrading and bleeding your account. If you skip some, you're guessing which ones matter. Either way, you lose. Now look at Swift Algo. Same chart, same time frame. 2 signals, one short at the top, one long at the bottom. That's it. Clean, simple, precise. The short signal fires right at the structural high. You enter, price drops, you hit take profit. The long signal fires right at the structural low. You enter, price explodes upward, you hit take profit. 2 trades, 2 wins. No noise, no confusion, no second guessing. And here's what makes Swift Algo different. It's not just giving you signals, it's giving you the full system. Look at the dashboard in the bottom right. It's showing you the trend, the strength, and whether the market is ranging across 6 different time frames. That's your confirmation before you even take the trade. You're not guessing whether the signal is valid. The system is telling you it's valid, and then it plots your stop loss and take profit automatically. Risk management is already done. Here's the bottom line. Free tools can work, but they give you pieces. Swift Algo gives you the full system. Clarity instead of chaos. Confirmation instead of guesswork. Confidence instead of hesitation. You don't need to throw out your free tools. If you love trading support and resistance or market structure, keep using them. But add Swift Algo to your toolbox. It fills the gaps. It gives you what they miss. And that's the edge that actually makes you profitable. Try it and see the difference yourself. You can get access in the link below. And if you want to see real results from traders using Swift Algo every day, join our free Discord. Link is in the description. If this comparison helped, drop a like on the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.